What's up, YouTube fam? On our way to Cars and Coffee again, Folsom, Dorado Hills. Running a little bit late, just got gas. About to be a beautiful day. Going over the Nimbus Dam right here. The Nimbus hatchery over there. We got like a new salmon run. Just built it. And Folsom Lake Dam's on my left. About to get on the freeway. Should be at Cars and Coffee shortly. Let's go. A little freeway on-ramp action. Can't go wrong with that. Back in with you guys once we get to the show. Alright, we are almost there. I'm glad that I came today. I almost didn't come because it was like 40 degrees this morning, which for us Californians, that's freezing. But the sun's came out. Definitely seems like it's warmed up a bit. So, should be a really good turnout. Find a spot. Next to me. Immaculate.
Dude, that's the first
It's beautiful.
like it's almost like a crunch.
Holy moly.
It's got side cuts too.
Look at this thing. Begin to know what I'm looking at here. But you got Cobra brakes on it. This thing is sweet. That Bronco again. Beautiful Firebird.
Here, girls, go stand next to the car and look at me. Ready?
This thing is cool.
This one's Annabelle's favorite.
I love it.
Jim and Lori.
That's
It's
sick.
an older. Mine? Look at this.
Old school Porsche.
That's an Audi car. Different type of car.
Beautiful C8.
Well, it keeps the heat in the pipe. You know?
Oh, reflects it back in. Kinda, yeah.
Oh my god. That is a massive turbo. That's crazy. Nice bucket seats. This thing is crazy. And then the McLaren full carbon rear. Looks hella sick. Crazy.
Oh, look, here's one like
Oh man, C10 is beautiful. Love the patina.
Look, they got a whole row of
The seat cover. This is so sick. Oh my goodness. Oh, and you got the Raiders. And this thing's tubbed too. That's crazy. I just realized. You got some serious tires under there. Wow. 69. Beautiful.
But that's like the only.
Beautiful. Oh, the Impala. This thing is beautiful. It's all got hydraulics and whatnot. Clean.
Hey, what are you doing?
That's crazy. These things are so cool. Got the Holly Sniper on there.
I don't know.
Di Tommaso Pantera. This thing is sweet too. Holy crap. Look at the details. The Chevy logo in the metal. The woodwork. The keg is the gas tank. Oh man. Ooh, look at that Buick Riviera. Beautiful. Oh my god. Both of these things. The details.
No.
This thing is so sick.
There's something about
Both of them, man. This thing LS swapped or something? It's
no, they don't do remember
60. I went over.
sick.
I was just getting a bid on going with the vintage Jared.
The Demon. Thing's sick. So sick with the drag pack on there. Oh my god. 70. Should have came over here and parked next to this thing, but put me to shame. Yeah. Procharged, big block. He has the same exact radiator and fan setup I have. Oh man, that thing is sweet. I don't know if the camera picks it up with the color. Oh my god. That thing's beautiful. Old 442. She is a beaut. $100. Sounds so good. Here we are. Beautiful Impala.
They build it on a Mercedes chassis.
Beautiful.
Yep.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Go around the back on this one.
Yep. It has a slide out.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
What? Is that like a house or something?
Z06. C8R. Z06. C5. Is this from a dealership? Is it a brand new car? 94,000. I think I'd rather put that money in the Chevelle and then have like a little commuter car on the side too. We got a blue Z06 over there in the sky. Check these out. Stingray. Ooh, NSX just pulled in. C8Z. Beautiful. Sweet. Bunch more feds. URUS. Lotus. Saw this guy before. Holy moly. Beautiful color. Spider. Challenger. There's just an NSX casually chilling in the corner, getting no attention, no love. But here I am. All black thing. Sick. I like it. Cavity sound hella good. Old school 911 meets new school 911. This Mustang's hella loud. Sounds hella good. Dark horse. thing sounds hella good. Vinny, the Procharged one with the big block. Oh yeah. Thing's sweet. Get a clip of this thing pulling out. Man. Thing sounds so good. Sheesh. That thing sounds incredible. LFA? Oh, LC 500. I'm hella down. This drop top? G8 thing? Oh my gosh. Let's go bit. Good SC 300. Your classic 90s JDM Legends. 300 ZX. Yeah, beautiful NSA. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, this thing's on some Mad Max shit. All right, successful cars and coffee.